This video demonstrates the publishing status feature of Audio Project Manager version 3.3 and 3.31. Now in this case, this particular project has not been published, so I would have to first publish it, and I have to be someone who starts this publishing process has to be a Fulby member, and when they are, they click that and it will create additional information in the project used for publishing, such as the name of the book, an alternate name for when we're doing the storying version of the book. You'll notice the sections now are numbered S1, S2, S3, S4, and there's the possibility for adding graphics and chapter number, a chapter number recording, so you can say this is chapter 1, etc., and you can record each of these titles. But we've also added this publishing column, and so you see here that this section is not published, this passage is not published, and so that gives you the immediate status of whether something's been published or not. So I'm going to save that. All these have recordings, and so these are all ready to be published. This one probably is not ready to be published, it doesn't have a recording. Okay, so let me just decide to publish this first section. If I come here to the Publish button, click on it, it says you must have a Bible ID to publish it. So that's a new feature where we actually check. The Bible ID is set up actually on the Team Settings dialog, where we set the Bible ID. I'm sorry, it says it wants me to figure out a new version. Oh, sorry, I'm on, must not be in the right. Demo 331 says it's a BCW, but the language code looks like it's Sena actually. This. So there's a Bible ID. And then if you wanted to put in some copyright information, whatever. So that puts the publishing information in there. And then when you come back in here, you now can click on this, and you have the option of either publishing it to the public channel or to the beta channel. The beta is an online only channel, but allows you to see what it will look like, or to leave it unpublished. So I'll put this one on the beta channel. You'll notice that with the beta channel, it gives you a background of yellow. The public channel, it would just leave the background white, and this would be a brighter green. And then I want to include this passage in here, so I'll say I also want this one on the beta channel. And so it puts this up arrow to indicate that it's been published. This is marked in red now because this section has been published, but the chapter number has not been finished or published. So this would have to be recorded, and ideally you can add graphics, at least these two graphics, to make this become available. To make the book available, you'd want graphics up here. So this column here is basically the new published status column that shows you exactly where things are at in terms of being published. Thank you.